Alright, we're here. We're at the unboxing of the new Oak Works, and we're at the new studio. Definitely finally made it. We made it. We made it. YouTube ready. Yeah! What it look like? What it look like? What it look like? What does it look like? Ah, she's beautiful. 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 Sheesh. Beautiful creature. Please let the headrest be inside. Beautiful table. Así es. Is in there. Recommended cleaners and disinfectants. There we go. Showing you how to use this headrest. That's how to put things away. It's looking robust.
This is a good time to come into this segment. Welcome back. Thank you for all the followers that have been consistently checking out these videos at Aboriginal Holistic Remedies YouTube channel. This is Jovi M. Bay, massage therapist, licensed, certified, insured, and I'm looking to make myself the new massage table setup. Show you guys a little bit of what's going on here. We have these adjustable legs. You have these little push-in springs. You have to push in, and you have to turn the legs facing away from the inside. So once you do that, then it can click into place. This table does not go very high. This table is designed to stay somewhat medium to low. I got this table for more of the extra large body types. some really big clients that definitely were creating challenges for me to work on their arms and their legs to see them feel comfortable on the regular massage tables that I was using. So I went ahead and did some research and found this table, Oak Works, yet it still needed to be customly designed to create what's the widest width possible. It's a 40-inch wide portable storage physical therapy table. That's what they're calling it. Yet massage can be done there, and a lot of the physical therapy stuff is just range of motion, also re-education, trying to get them to get some exercise and mobility back into the joint areas. So to give you guys a real review and analysis of this portable storage table, first of all, if you're going to go up with a 40-inch, you definitely are going to be paying $900. And I went ahead and got the headrest that they were offering with it. It was about another 100 plus. I thought it was came with this other what is this, like other cushion in between, but it seemed like it didn't. So I must have been looking at some other website, but the headrest was pretty decent. My only take back from it is a totally different design I was used to. And that foam that you're looking at there, the headrest has some sort of wood plate in the bottom. So when you go face down into it, you can kind of feel that wood plate at the bottom, kind of touching your cheekbones or a little bit of your chin, So that was the one thing that, could have been a better design, but seems like that was their design for this table. So the lengthwise, I don't got the full details on that aspect, but 40-inch wide, I would say it's a standard length for majority of massage tables. Yet anybody who's not big, who's not extra large, is gonna look really small on this table. Let alone you might have a little bit of issues working on. If you're a taller therapist, you definitely would only bring this out for clients that were XL or really elevated above the table, and just that itself becomes its own challenge once you realize it. But for the most part, everything seemed intact. And it's a pretty heavy table. It's so wide that you really can't move it with a regular car. You got to have a truck or a van. So this is going to be somewhat stationary here at the shop. So we have something to offer for the heavyweights, for the big dogs coming in. So here it is. New addition to the shop. You can see with the new green. We got all different type of tables, all different type of accessories and needs for all the body types necessary. This shop is going to be ready 2023 ready. Look forward to seeing you guys more on it, see more episodes on this particular table. We can be able to show people on it and really get some really good looks. Alright guys, if you guys can help to like, subscribe, comment, anything, feel great.